Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's actually has been a very long time since we uploaded content to this our channel. So for the video I'm going to record today is actually for online writers, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can check your plagiarism for the work that you worked on, for your essays, for your reports. The good thing with this Turnitin Bot is that it gives you two reports. First one is for AI, and then the second one is for the similarity. So you will know the part of your content that has been AI generated, and also the part of your content that has been plagiarized. So I'm going to guide you through step by step on what you should do to upload your document. So this is the interface actually for your Turnitin bot. Now you press this slash bu button on your keyboard, and then start your bot. It will ask you, do you want to submit for the this one is for US and this one is for the UK. Then select one for the US. Then it asks you, do you want to exclude a bibliography? In case you want to exclude a bibliography, that is the reference page. Yes, say yes. Because most of the time we'll want your content to when you exclude your bibliography and also exclude your quotes. So it's asking you, do you want to exclude the quotes from your work because they are not your original work? You say yes. Now it is asking now send me the file. So meaning this is the time where you send the file that you want to submit to the bot and to check the similarity and the report. So this is the document. We have now sent the document. So the Turnitin now is confirming the submission. So we just need to be patient and see the report that is going to be generated from this our bot. So the good thing with this now, in case now the lecture was specific that your work will be checked via Turnitin, you must ensure that your work is AI free and also plagiarism free. So to confirm that, you use your Turnitin bot to check if your content is free. This helps you actually to get better grades because once your work has been plagiarized, you will sometimes the instructions are always clear that you get a zero from your work. So let's be patient and see what will be generated. So as before even the report is out, you can see here we are being told that AI writing detection is 0%, meaning that our work was not done with artificial intelligence. And also let's wait now for the similarity report and see what we will get. So for the AI report, it is actually out. Let's click and see if truly inside there is 0% generated. So we are being told that your work is 0% detected as AI, that is artificial intelligence. Okay. Now also the similarity report is also out. Let's check. Let's open it and see if it's true. Is our work is plagiarized. So we are being told that our overall score for similarity is also 0%. So this is the same report that we reflective journal 5, and we are being told that everything is 0%. So this paper is now actually ready for submission to your class. Now you can submit it, and the instructor can now at least go through your paper and award you grades. About Turnitin bot, what you need to know is that for Turnitin, your work for it to be detect AI, it has to be more than 300 words. But for similarity, even 100 words can be detected for similarity. But for AI, it has to be more than 300 words for you to get your AI report. So that's actually what I wanted to show you here, guys. In our next class, I will demonstrate to you how you can remove your plagiarism, the tools you need to use to remove your plagiarism in case your paper has been plagiarized, because you don't need to submit that paper when it has plagiarism of more than 20%. Also, AI report also need to be zero. So in case your work is maybe 100 or 20 or 40% AI generated, I'll demonstrate to you how you can remove your AI generated content. So stay tuned, guys, and let's meet in our next video where I will demonstrate to you every tools you need to use to make sure your reports and your essays are well done. So thank you and bye bye.